Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Silverado Man 61 here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Click that red button in the lower right hand corner and we'll be all set. I stopped by today to check out this 2015 GMC Sierra, which has been slightly customized. Looks like it's been lowered. It's a nice looking truck. It's got a spray and bed liner, tinted windows. Looks like it has a, I looked underneath it, it has a aftermarket exhaust on it. Beautiful truck, man. Extra cab. It's GMC. It's got like 30,000 miles on it. Yeah, somebody did a little work to this thing. Looks really nice. These aren't custom wheels, they are GMC wheels on it. Body looks good, no scratches in the paint or anything. Not sure if it's open. No, it's not. I can't really look inside because the windows are really dark on it. Yeah, somebody did a little bit of work in this truck. I always like these spray and bed liners, man. They even tinted the light in the back here. It's got a little bit of tint on it. They tinted the looks like the rear taillights are tinted a little bit, but yeah, this truck's been out here about 3 weeks now. Let me show you the thing on here. That's what it is. Asking 31,000, 2015. Show you the window sticker here for you guys. Yeah, nice truck. It just wouldn't fit in my garage. Hey guys, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and we will catch y'all later. Have a good one.